team, when you're looking at this Module 6 lesson, what we're asking you to do is create a real quick Padlet, and you need to embed that into the actual assignment, which is the study skills and note-taking lesson in Module 6. So whether you are in freshman advisory or in the sophomore advisory, this is going to look the same for you. So you'll see in here, it says insert Padlet here. Well, you're going to need to create your own Padlet first. We're doing this because a volume of people and having multiple classes on one Padlet can be very confusing for students and for us. So go ahead and just type in Padlet, go to padlet.com. You can log in. Most of us probably have a Padlet account. If you don't, get one rolling. But in my case, log in with Google, select your school account, boom. And then the questions that we're going to use are pretty straightforward. We're going to make a Padlet, choose the wall selection or option. And you can change your background. I mean, I'm going to say, kind of have some fun with this. Our description is really going to be what skills are you using that you have found success with, and what have you tried that didn't work. And the title of this should be study skills and note-taking. Right, so you can change the wallpaper on here pretty easily. Try to make it something that the students can see easily enough with. There's all sorts of fun things you can be doing with these guys. You definitely want to see who the contributing author is, so select that. It's okay to allow for comments. I encourage the comments during the VC so that students can let each other know how they're feeling, like, oh my gosh, I use that strategy as well. I allow for loving, because sometimes students don't want to comment, but they want to reply to somebody in that way. I don't usually require approval or profanity. Our kids are pretty good, so I don't usually worry about that. So we got that business going on. Click the next thing, and you're pretty much almost ready to go, right? So we can say, yeah, start posting. Now you need to get this Padlet onto your Canvas page. So in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and click on the share button here. And we're going to embed this. So this is actually going to be put into our actual Canvas page, so students can be typing directly onto the Padlet on our Canvas page, and we can all be seeing the same thing. So we're going to click the copy button, and then we're going to go back to this assignment now. And where it says insert Padlet here, we're going to go ahead and just highlight that, delete it if you wish, go to the embed button, paste in that embed code, click the submit button, and boom, now you should have your Padlet. So that did not delete, get rid of that business. And oh goodness gracious. Okay, there we go. Don't go too far. Don't delete too much. So that's the gist of how you add a Padlet. So once you have that completed, go ahead and click on that save button. And then what you should see is the Padlet. The students are going to see the same thing. They can contribute by just clicking on that. Again, if you've used Padlet, you know how that business works. And then you can see what your students are replying regarding the questions, and encourage them to reply to each other and add upon each other's ideas. Okay, please reach out to myself, Carrie Ann Glembaki, or of course our wonderful tech people, Miss Jenny or Miss Amber, if you have any questions.